Welcome to the best Accounting 101 tutorial in the entire world. This Accounting 101 playlist course, free right here on YouTube, has helped literally hundreds of thousands of students go from failing accounting to getting an A. So if you're a struggling student, you're in the right place. Plus, if you're a small business owner and you just want to get clarity on some of the accounting ideas that come up all the time as you go to do business or manage your books, this video is for you. Now, the course works so well because I've developed special methods over the decades to make sure that I can really reach slow learners of accounting or people who just struggle with accounting because it's not their favorite subject. Believe me, it might be your favorite subject by the time you finish because the methods are not only more effective, they can also be entertaining and fun as you learn. Most of the lessons are enjoyable to watch, even if you already know accounting, because I think you'll find the approach interesting. But regardless, everyone who watches this playlist tutorial is going to have everything they need for the important accounting ideas. Now, the video that follows this one in the playlist is the main video in the course, and it will start you with knowing nothing and build you up so that you have confidence that you have every important accounting idea mastered clearly and understood completely. Then, after the main big video, you'll see that I keep adding accounting topics. And at some point, the topics will go all the way into Accounting 102 so that you'll have all of the accounting knowledge that any business major or business person is required to have when they study business. And don't worry if you have any questions. Just leave the questions in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to help you. So without further delay, I now present the best Accounting 101 tutorial in the entire world.